news is about to film lots of airplanes, and there's a train I just missed right now there, and I'm gonna film some of the cars there. It says it says it has images, and I missed the Amtrak. See the train, and the other side is airplanes. See some containers, right? And airplane looks like it's going. It's flying now. It's getting ready to fly. No, it's landing. Whoa, what one is that? I don't. Oh, that's American Airlines. Just landed. Can I please put my shoes on?
Yeah.
Because I'm ready to come outside. I just filmed an airplane array, and I just filmed some of the cars off the freight train.
Oh, you put it in.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? That was louder than I ever thought. I filmed one airplane array landed, and there's the train. There's some cars I've never seen. And there's the end of the train. Hopefully I film another train come. There. Let me pause this thing.
The little boots, okay, not the other ones, because those get sushis, okay. You still have the other ones. No, not those. Ay, 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 Dios mío, ¿cuándo, señor, cuándo? 3 boys, man, 3 boys.
Just took it off.
3 boys. None of them remember, except Ethan. Ethan, you're pretty good. Ethan's pretty good.
I don't know if Ethan's good sound.
Huh?
Whoa! There's a CSX truck right there. See that? So happy because I catch that. CSX truck. There he goes. The CSX truck. Train. Good thing I just catch one front of the train was the train truck and the CSX truck. That's what the train is called. Hopefully we see another train. Because I'm not only a train catcher, I'm a rail fan. I mean, I'm not only a train catcher, I'm also an airplane catcher. Airplane fan and rail fan. Gotta go before another car comes and before an airplane leaves. Get away from the mud. You cannot be next to mud. You can get wet, okay? Be careful, okay? Okay? Just making sure you're okay. I'm a rail fan and airplane fan. About to film. I just missed a freight train, but I filmed some of the cars, and I just saw a CSX truck. It's a train, but it can go also on the road. I filmed it on the track. And I was so happy because I just got in front of one of those trains. And airplanes starting to fly. He's landing, I think. American Airlines right there.
My name is Hunter.
Oh, I have a question. Do you guys ever check check the schedule of the freight trains? Because I just missed one, but I saw a CSX truck.
Like this.
CS. What Ew, that's cold. Well, you should throw that in the trash.
起飞的了，要起飞了。
What do you say?
Oh.
Whoa. Two are about to go up. And there comes Southwest.
Airplane, that's
Southwest. Do you see that one? That one is Southwest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a big one. Yes. And there's some more getting ready to fly up. Just feel. Oh my gosh. What is landing? Oh my gosh, man.
some rock.
I don't know, but you know, I live in Raleigh, so I don't live here, so I don't know much about here. I just travel here. I'm leaving tomorrow. I came here on Tuesday. I drive for so many hours. 4 hours took for me, or 5. And I am also a YouTuber, not only an airplane fan and a rail fan. I also have YouTube videos. Like when you, and that's my mom. That's my mom. So I just do you
That
so
one coming out or just landed?
yeah, just landed, and 2 are coming out. I just saw that it was Delta and American Airlines.
Oh, I see them coming down.
Yes, that's how they come down. And there's the actual airport. Oh, that's dangerous. Cause there.
Little bitty one's coming out. Look.
What? I not even knew that. What? That's big. Oh my gosh! Run! Airplane's coming! Run! Oh my gosh! American Airlines! That was the actual one I just saw. That was the one I saw. It was.
You don't want to be funny there. It would do like this. Look. Like it's coming on you. It's not coming on you. It's going out. That was so cool, Tail.
And did you saw that thing? That scared me. I thought it was gonna crash. It scared me. I ran. It scared me so bad. Oh my gosh! Run away! Oh my gosh! Oh, it looked like it was flying. Oh my gosh, that scared me. That scared me so bad.
You can go up there. You can go down.
I see an airplane coming right there.
You can go down.
And don't go to the pond, because there's some day.
Okay, don't bump on that little baby.
This guy's not a baby. He's more.
Toddler.
Yeah, he's a toddler. So he does not cry at all. You had to use your.
Is that one coming up?
Oh no! Ah! Airplane's coming! Help me! Ah! Run! No! No! There he is! I never seen that thing! I never seen that airplane! Hooray! Yes! Oh my gosh! This came! Yes! Oh my gosh, that scared me. That scared my mind.
It's no scary out
Ah!
there.
Airplane's coming.
It's no
Hey, don't run anymore. I want to record you in it, okay? Don't run anymore. Just stay there. Yeah. They'll stay right there, okay?
And it's too loud for me. And it's so loud. Hurts my ears, so I run. And I sometimes think it's going to crash.
It's airplane. It's too far to see.
And it was so loud that it hurt my ears. It scared me. Like a horse gets scared of airplanes when they're so close to the ground.
It's smaller than airplane.
Airplanes are much bigger than us and they're giant. They can crash on us. Yes,
Find the red part.
She can fly.
I see some airplane fans right there. Like I'm filming, I'm a rail fan and an airplane fan. So because those airplane fans are here, I'm a rail fan and an airplane fan. Also, the airplane's coming soon. Whenever one lands, I am so happy. Okay, one is getting ready to fly right there.
Where?
You see that American Airlines moving or no? He will. And the Blue Jet just parked away.
Look.
Oh my gosh. What airplane are you talking about? Oh! No! Run! Oh my god, no! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's landing. Good thing. I thought that was going to scare me. American Airlines right there. Oh my gosh, that almost scared my mind.
Scare your
You-
scare your heart.
Nope, it scared.
One's getting ready.
Oh no. Oh gosh. I better run. Oh no. Holy gosh. Holy gosh. Oh my god. What is that one coming from? Where is that coming from? Where is that?
Where is it?
Stay.
It's above the cloud. Somewhere.
And another one's coming. Oh my gosh! Run! Run back there! Run! Oh my gosh! It's disappearing! It disappeared in a cloud! That's scary. I wonder why I just get so scared of that when it just starts flying. Olay. Oh my gosh, that's almost scared my heart this time. Not my mind. Last time it scared my mind, and this time it almost scared my heart. Oh no. Is an airplane coming?
No!
Oh my gosh! What is that coming from? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that guy doing? Oh my gosh. What is he doing? I never seen that before. I never seen that happen here before. I usually don't live here, but I did travel here.
Not national, they're
What happened to this table?
Be careful with that thing.
it's a great investment.
Look!
I know. Don't tell me anymore.
Oh,
I know is there an airplane coming or not. I can see it. And I can realize it is an airplane or not. I have a
no.
I have a power to look close to it with my eyes.
I know.
I can look closer to it than you. And how did you know? That's a power. No, usually nobody has powers like that. We got southwest landing. Southwest. No, it's southwest. It's landing. It's landing. Or I don't know if it's a southwest or not. Or no, it's not a southwest, but it looks like it's an airplane I've never seen. Yes, 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 yes. Oh no, it's landing. Oh, I never seen that one. Hooray! Yes, 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 yes. My first time ever seen that one. What is that? I never seen that one. What one is that? I never. JetBlue. Well, yes, I saw JetBlue. I never seen one that had that coloring though. It looked like a little like Southwest because of the color blue up there. And I never seen that one. I'm so happy because I saw that one. I'm an airplane fan and rail fan. I just built a couple trains went up there, Ray. And I hear a train horn, I'm running to there. As airplanes keep coming, they're coming. So I don't even care they miss an airplane. Only in this airplane I've never seen. Oh no, emergency, 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 emergency. Ah, airplanes, it's me, Southwest, no, help me, help me, help me. Oh my gosh, Southwest. Oh my gosh, holy crush. That was a big one. That was a loud one. Hopefully I catch the train today.
Don't set we only.
Oh my gosh. That was so scary. Oh my gosh. He disappeared. An emergency array had got to the place emergency was at. There was somebody swimming in the pond, and I wonder what was that. What was that? I saw something swimming in the pond, and I don't know what. I think it was a stick, because sticks usually don't swim though. There parks that blue JetBlue. And let me know there's an airplane starting to fly. Oh my gosh! Ah! No! No! Airplane! Ah! Ah! No! 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 Holy crush! Oh, I never seen one like that. I haven't seen one that small. Yes. Oh, yeah. There it is. That was the smallest one I ever seen. I've never seen that one that small. Later today, I'm going to Union Station to see trains there. There comes airplane landing. Don't run away, it's landing. But I am gonna get a little closer. No, back up. It's Southwest, I think. Yes, it's Southwest. And our airplane's gonna land soon. What happened to that baby? What's wrong? What?
Like her headphones.
Are you guys filming? Oh my gosh! Hey, he's mine! Help me! No! 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 Ah! Ah! Help me! No! 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 Oh my gosh! That was cool. I never seen one that big. Let's watch it disappear. Disappearing, I think. Disappearing. And there was an airplane landing. No, it's an airplane landing. It's southwest, I think. Southwest, right there. Southwest. Hey, don't run. It's southwest. Don't worry. It's southwest.
Oh, ha ha ha.
They got me on camera. Oh my gosh. Hey, don't laugh. That's mean. You don't laugh like that. That's a mean laugh. Next time you laugh like that, I am telling your parents.
Oh, ha ha ha.
Okay, I'm telling. You keep laughing like, what? Your parents are not here. Please don't laugh, please.
Oh, ha ha ha.
Hey, you stop laughing like that.
Oh,
We're watching the last one before we leave, Austin. Okay, let's wait for one more.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
No! But I am staying here for so many airplanes. And after that, I'm going to Union Station to see trains there because I am a rail fan.
That sounds like a fun day for you.
But not only a rail fan, also an airplane fan. And is that sound going down or up right now?
I didn't hear any sound.
No, I mean, is the sun going up?
The sun is going out, I think.
Because it shouldn't be going down by now.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It's 11:30.
11:30. So that means it should be. So that means.
11?
So that means it should almost be in the sky. It should almost is when it's 12 o'clock. It's in the sky for all days. Stop laughing like that.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
Okay, I'm not talking to you. I'm not being a friend for you with anymore.
Oh, ha ha ha.
Okay, I am going away from you. Ah! Ah! Airplane's coming! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, cool thing, it's time for you to go.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
Oh.
Oh, no. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no! Oh no, you don't!
Have a good one.
Bye bye, guys. But he keeps following me. They said you should go home. Hey, stop! Go with your parents. Please say bye bye to me. Okay, fine. Do you wave at me? Bye. I'm gonna miss those guys. They're waving for almost forever. Oh! That was a bigger one than I first thought. Okay, now I'm watching for trains. Now I'm watching for trains. Cause I know it's a rail fan. I should get some trains by now. Only train I got is missed the front of the freight train and saw the rest of it. And I got a train truck went by there. And now I'm watching for any other trains now. Unless an airplane comes. Signal was right there. Signals can live anywhere. Here. Oh my gosh, there's an airplane coming. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. American Airlines is big. Oh my gosh. It scared the seagull. That scared the seagull. I feel so bad for the seagull that it got scared. No trains there yet. Usually the Amtrak station is over there. I think it was going to the Amtrak station. And they're coming there in a second, so I think we may see another one in a second. Or usually when it starts supposed to be the time for them to come, they're coming each second for the trains. But the airplanes come in each second every time. They keep coming. And that one was landing. Let's see which one that is. That's what airplanes are meant for, coming each second. That's Delta. And that's a big one. Whoa, that's bigger than... Oh my gosh, I better catch that. I better catch that. I better catch that airplane. I better catch that airplane. I better catch that airplane. Better catch that airplane. Oh my gosh, I missed it. Mommy! I'm going to watch for trains, okay? I'm not all done. I just had to watch. Why? Huh? Huh? Mommy, why? Huh? Why? Okay, but after this, we go to Union Station, okay? Okay, Mommy? So, are we going to close to Union Station after where there's a
pause
track?
that video. Are you all done with the
What's
video?
your car?
I'm not. Oh,
What the hell's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, Daddy. Don't yell at me.
That's all that stuff is a video.
I don't care. They need to be on video. Parenting.
5 more
101.
minutes for the airplane. 5 more minutes, and let me figure out our schedule, okay? Okay, go back over there.
And you yell at me like that again, I'm yelling back. gosh. Oh my gosh. Not doing that.
Well, we have to leave. We have to go and see more stuff.
Like, we've seen trains.
We see trains, but we gotta make a plan.
Well, the reason why I keep it like paused is so I can
But Natty needs the GPS to get to where we're going. Okay,
Well, what about your phone?
record a couple more, 2 more, okay? And then come inside, okay? 2 more trains.
You mean planes?
That plane, yeah, 2 more.
Well, anyway, I'm already done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.